Welcome to BrassCraft's How to Select a Flexible Water Connector and Shutoff Valve for your dishwasher or ice maker video. In this video, we'll walk you through the information you need to know to select the proper connector and valve for your dishwasher or ice maker installation when the appliance is located within close proximity to your sink. When installing a new appliance, we recommend installing a new water connector and water shutoff valve. Depending on the appliance, there are 2 to 3 connection points that you need to define to select the correct products for your installation. 1. The valve connection to the water supply pipe, if a valve is required. 2. The connection from the valve to the flexible connector. And 3. The connection from the connector to the appliance. Let's start with the connection at the water supply. There are 2 options available for connecting your new appliance to the existing water supply, but be sure to check with your local plumbing codes for restrictions on use. Option 1. If your existing shutoff valve has a 3/8" compression outlet, install a compression T fitting as shown to provide an additional water connection. Option 2. Replace your existing single outlet valve with a dual outlet valve. Or for independent flow control, replace your single outlet valve with a dual outlet, dual shutoff valve. With option 2, you will need to determine what kind of pipe or tubing you have and what size it is. Examine the pipe or tubing and determine if it's copper, PEX, CPVC, or iron pipe. Depending on your pipe type, you may have a couple of connection types to choose from. Each has varying degrees of difficulty to install. So select the inlet connection type that matches your tubing and your skill level. Then measure the size of your pipe to determine the size of the valve inlet needed. The outlet of your valve will coordinate with your flexible water connector to your new appliance. So let's jump into selecting the right connector. BrassCraft offers 3 types of flexible water connectors: braided engineered polymer, braided stainless steel, and reinforced vinyl. To select the right configuration for your installation, you need to know 1. The valve outlet, 2. The appliance water inlet, and 3. The length needed to reach the appliance inlet. To determine the length of your connector, measure the distance from the stub out to the water inlet on the appliance. Your appliance connector length should be long enough to cover the routing required from the appliance to the water supply. Next, examine the connection type to your appliance. Your dishwasher may have one of 2 connection types. 1. A 3/8" FIP, which requires a 3/8" MIP by 3/8" compression elbow. Or 2. A 3/4" male hose thread, which requires a 3/4" female hose thread or garden hose swivel by 3/8" compression elbow. Each elbow can be purchased separately or with a connector kit. Ice makers have a standard 1/4" compression connection. And last, match the shutoff valve outlet to the inlet of the connectors. The most popular connection to the valve is the 3/8" compression for dishwashers and a 1/4" compression for ice makers. Flexible connectors come with the sealing components built into the connector itself, so when you install the product, remove and discard the redundant parts like the nut and sleeve. And there you have it, 3 connections to selecting the right product.